Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, yesterday we did. Good afternoon, everyone. Uh, what did we do? Types of allotropes of carbon, forms of carbon, and uh, why carbon forms so many compounds. Okay, what are the properties of carbon? Carbon, earlier people thought that carbon compounds are usually, it is called as organic because it was believed that it exists only in living beings, but now it is prepared in laboratory also, and it is artificially made also. First carbon compound artificially made was urea. Okay, so now we'll start with next section of the chapter. We share the chapter now. Compounds of carbon. Okay, carbon compounds can be called as organic compound. Why it is called as organic? Because originated from living beings. Okay, but now it is possible to synthesize organic compounds in laboratory also. Inorganic means which are not organic compounds are inorganic compounds जिसमें कि carbon नहीं होता है. Okay. Organic compounds are obtained from natural sources, plant, animal, coal, petroleum, all these are natural sources. Coal gives us benzene, phenol, naphthalene, all these are organic compounds. Okay. Properties of organic, inorganic compounds are different from each other. Mostly organic compounds are insoluble in water and soluble in organic solvent. Okay, they dissolve in organic solvent like benzene, alcohol, chloroform, insoluble in water, low melting solids or liquids. Okay, inorganic compounds are generally solids which have high melting and boiling point. They dissolve in water and are insoluble in organic solvent. Okay, so this is just a small portion. Now let us start with oxides of carbon. Carbon के दो oxides you already know. One is carbon monoxide, second is carbon dioxide. Okay, so these two oxides, how they are prepared and how they affect us. Okay, what is the property that we are going to study? Oxides of carbon, already two oxides you know, which is carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide. Okay, CO2 and CO. So CO, I was telling you yesterday, carbon monoxide is obtained when carbon or hydrocarbon is burned in the limited supply of oxygen. When oxygen supply is less and carbon is burned, or any hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon we'll study what is hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon compounds of carbon and hydrogen. Okay, like CH4 is a hydrocarbon. So carbon monoxide is formed when carbon or hydrocarbon are burned in the limited supply of oxygen. This you have to remember, limited supply of oxygen mein carbon monoxide is formed. Now what are the properties of carbon monoxide? It is a colorless, odorless gas. Colorless and odorless gas. Odor means no smell. Okay, odorless. Odor means smell. Odorless means no smell. Colorless means no color. Has a melting point of minus 199 degrees Celsius and boiling of minus 192 degrees Celsius. All of us know it is a major air pollutant and is released in large quantities from automobile engines. Its low level poisoning causes headache and drowsiness. Okay, agar low level of carbon dioxide hai, still it will cause headache and drowsiness, and large level is very toxic, cause death. Okay, so carbon monoxide is very toxic. It can lead to death. Why? Because it reduces, you know, hemoglobin is there in our blood. Hemoglobin, say oxygen gets attached and it is transported from one cell to another cell. But carbon monoxide in the atmosphere, what happens? It gets attached with hemoglobin and it prevents the oxygen carrying capacity of blood. Okay, so that is why it is dangerous. That is why people die. Carbon monoxide has many uses hai. Carbon monoxide is a reducing agent. Okay, so reducing agent, you know, metallurgy mein, extraction of metal mein, I told you oxides are reduced using reducing agent. So one of the reducing agent is carbon monoxide. For example, iron oxide is reduced to iron by carbon monoxide. So one uses there. These are important uses. Huh? Then in the presence of catalyst, carbon monoxide combined with hydrogen to give methanol. Formula of methanol. Methanol is also called as methyl alcohol. Naming we are going to study. Methyl alcohol is a common name and IUPAC name is CH3OH methanol. Okay. How the names are given, we are going to study now. It forms carbonyl compound, the nickel carbonyl, which is NiCO4. CO is carbonyl, okay, is used in the refinement of nickel, used as fuel, used in synthesis of several organic compounds. So these are the uses of carbon monoxide, okay. Carbon dioxide, now second oxide of carbon is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is produced when carbon and hydrocarbon is burnt in excess of oxygen. Okay, limited supply of oxygen में carbon monoxide बनता है, excess of oxygen में carbon dioxide बनता है. You can see एक oxygen है और इसमें दो oxygen है. So that means when carbon or hydrocarbon is burnt in excess of oxygen, carbon dioxide is formed. Okay, or take any this is a hydrocarbon, so methane is a hydrocarbon, CH4. Hydrocarbon when burnt with oxygen gives more supply of oxygen. It gives carbon dioxide plus 2H2O, water. It is also produced by heating of carbonates. Now you know that carbonates decompose if you heat it. यहाँ पे heat लिखो. When you heat calcium carbonate, it changes into calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. Okay, decomposition reaction का example है ये. One reactant breaks down into two products. Okay, so one पहला formation हुआ, first formation, carbon and hydrocarbons are burnt in excess of oxygen, then carbon dioxide is formed. Second is it is formed by heating carbonates. Okay, so calcium carbonate से calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Okay, next third formation. So there are three formation of carbon dioxide के 3 points हैं. Third point, it is also produced in fermentation of sugar. Sugar का formula C6H12O6 glucose, aqueous, ferment होके C2H5OH, it is ethanol और OH group जो होता है alcohol group होता है, also called as ethyl alcohol. Okay, ethanol or ethyl alcohol plus carbon dioxide. Okay, so these are the three method of formation of carbon dioxide. First one, when carbon and hydrocarbon burnt in excess of oxygen. Second one, when carbonates are heated. And third one, when glucose ferment, it forms alcohol and carbon dioxide. और carbon monoxide का formation only one है, when carbon and hydrocarbon is burnt in limited supply of oxygen. तो limited और reaction C, reaction में यहाँ पे एक ही O2 रहेगा, 1O2, 2C plus 1O2, और यहाँ पे रहेगा C plus 2O2, CH4 plus 2O2. बैलेंस करोगे तो आ जाएगा. ओके. Okay, now composition of air may we have 0.03% of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere and major contributor to the greenhouse effect. Okay, greenhouse effect pollution वाले chapter में पढ़ा होगा biology में. Okay, have you read that chapter? Read greenhouse effect पढ़ा है?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, so carbon dioxide is the main contributor to the greenhouse. It is greenhouse gas. The main uses of carbon dioxide is, first one, solid carbon dioxide called as dry ice is used as a refrigerant because when it is cooled at atmospheric pressure condenses to solid. Okay, so carbon dioxide sublimes. Okay, and this is dry ice. Okay, so solid carbon dioxide is dry ice which sublimate means solid से directly liquid, sorry, directly gas when it is, नहीं उल्टा बोल रही हो ना, solid से cool down to heated to gas ना, gas से solid cooling में होता है, right? Gas to solid is cooling, so gas to solid sublimation होता है, or solid to gas directly without changing into liquid is sublimation. Okay, so solid carbon dioxide is called as dry ice. It sublimes at -78 degree, means gas formation होता है -78, which is useful as refrigerant. It is used in production of carbonated drinks. You see carbon dioxide ही निकलता है in all the cold drinks, soft drinks. It is used in the production of washing soda. We have done washing soda का preparation में and baking soda के preparation में. Okay, so carbon dioxide uses, ये सब रट्टा मारना है, 3 points. Now coming to hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon में, this is hydrocarbon, as the name suggests, hydrogen and carbon. Compounds of hydrogen and carbon are called as hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon के बारे में we have to study. Hydrocarbons can be divided into aliphatic and cyclic or closed. Okay, aliphatic will be open chain compounds. Okay, open chain. Remember I told you chain compound carbon के इस तरीके के होते हैं. So these are open chain compounds. Okay, and cyclic will be closed chain. This type of. Okay, so ring compounds, ring structure are ये जो सारी जगह पे यहाँ पे C होता है carbon. Okay, so hydrocarbons में 2 types हो गए, aliphatic and cyclic or closed chain compounds. Aliphatic is further divided into saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons. Okay, saturated hydrocarbons में alkanes आता है. Saturated means only single bonds are there. Okay, unsaturated में double and triple bond. Triple bonds are present. You can add it in the table. Okay, alkenes means double bonds are present. Unsaturated hydrocarbons with double bonds are alkenes, and alkynes are unsaturated hydrocarbon with triple bond. Between the carbon atoms. Okay, and saturated hydrocarbons are hydrocarbons with only single bonds between the carbon atoms. Okay, now write down the general formula of saturated hydrocarbons. General formula is CnH2n plus 2, and these are called as alkanes. Alkanes, general formula CnH2n plus 2. Okay, Cn means first hydrocarbon, first alkane will be when N is equal to 1. What will be the formula? C1H4. So methane is the first alkane. Okay, what is the second one? C2H6. It is called as ethane. Okay, and how they are named? Because they are alkanes, A and E will be the suffix. Okay, A and E will be the suffix with the saturated hydrocarbons. Okay, these are alkanes, so all will be A and E. Prefix we add depending on the number of carbon atoms. Okay, so when N is equal to 1 होता है तो meth add करते हैं. When N is equal to 2 होता है तो ith. When N is equal to 3 होता है तो prop. N is equal to 4 is but. Just a minute. Have you written this? I'll show it on whiteboard. We read hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons mein I'm just writing about alkanes, alkenes and alkynes. Okay. ऊपर का part I am not writing. Hydrogen आ रहा है. I'm just writing saturated, unsaturated. Means these are aliphatic. Aliphatic means open chain वाला. ठीक है? Remember aliphatic का hydrocarbons में saturated hydrocarbons. These are called as alkanes. ठीक है? All single bond. Between carbon atoms. ठीक है? Between C atoms, all single bonds are there. General formula is CnH2n plus 2. Okay, this is general formula. Then we have unsaturated hydrocarbons. That means contain double and triple bond, not single. Triple bonds between C atoms, carbon atoms. Okay, so now if it is double bond, it is called as alkenes. If double bond is there between carbon atom. And alkynes. Now alkene, alkynes are given, the names are given because this series, okay, let us first of all do this, triple bond. General formula of alkene is CnH2n and here it is CnH2n minus 2. Okay, so these general formula are very important. So I'm going to make a table of all the saturated hydrocarbons till for 7, 8 tak I will write. Okay, all of you have written this table. The lower part of the table I have made. Okay, this flowchart. So because we have to deal with, let us see alkanes. First is alkanes, which are saturated hydrocarbons. Okay, general formula is CnH2n plus 2. So where n is number of carbon atom, okay. So let us suppose जब n की value 1 है, तो formula becomes, here it is formula. Formula means molecular formula. Okay, I'm writing molecular formula. So when is n is, and this is the name. N is equal to 1. Formula is C1 or 2 into 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. Understood? So formula becomes CH4. Name is, myth is for n is equal to 1 or ANE from alkane we have to take. Okay? So methane. Name is methane. When n is equal to 2, tell me what will be the formula of second hydrocarbon in this homologous series?
Ethane.
See? Ethane is the name. Formula is what? When n is 2, what will be the formula?
Ma'am, C2H6.
Correct, C2H6. So this is the formula of ethane. Eth is when n is equal to 2. N is equal to 1 is meth. n is equal to 3 is, what will be the formula? C3, 3 to the 6 plus 2, 8. Now 3 carbon ka suffix is prop, so propane. N is equal to 4, C4, H10.
Ma'am,
Yes.
for the propane, it will be C3 and H8, no?
Yes.
H7.
No, not 7. 3 2s are 6 plus 2, 8. Okay. N is equal to 5. C5. 5 2s are 10 plus 2, 12. 5 is pentane. C6, H14. Hexane. N is equal to 7. C7, H14 plus 2, 16. Heptane. N is equal to 8. C8, H16 plus 2, 18. Octane. This way it goes on, nonane and decane. Okay. तो इतना लंबा आता नहीं है, but you remember meth, eth, prop, but, pent, hex, hept, oct. Okay. ANE if it is alkane. Okay. Now if you observe this, these two के बीच में the successive alkane to successive alkane के बीच में formula का क्या difference है? Tell me. CH2 group का difference है. See, CH2 यहाँ पे भी difference between this and this is again CH2. ये दोनों के बीच का difference is CH2. मतलब C2H6 में add CH2 तो C3H8 हो गया, right? Successive group के बीच का difference है CH2. If you observe it, you are getting CH2. So this group, so this type of group or series where successive hydrocarbons have a difference of CH2 are called as homologous series. Okay. Sometimes question is asked, what is the next compound or next hydrocarbon of C3H8 in the homologous series or alkane homologous series? So what you will write? C4H10. Understood? So these are called as homologous series. So each compound you see differ with the next successive compound by CH2 unit. Then this type of series is called as, or such a series of compound is called as homologous series. So what is the name of this homologous series? These homologous series are called as alkanes. Okay. Now what happens to alkenes? If you say next is alkane, means you have one single bond. Structure I am not showing right now, but you understand it will have single bond, a double bond, alkenes में. Alkene का general formula मैंने क्या दिया था? What was the general formula? This one. So when N is equal to 1, first member is C1.
Alkenes are unsaturated.
Correct. Unsaturated means double bond is present. Okay. So you see N is equal to 1. First member होता है CH2. ठीक है? This does not exist. Okay. मतलब कि methane does not exist. Okay. Methane does not exist. So first homologous series, alkene homologous series का first member start from n is equal to 2, which is C2H4. It is called as ethene. Now you know that n is equal to 2 में ith होता है prefix, and it is ene, alkene है तो ethene. Okay. Now tell me n is equal to 3, formula and name. Can you tell me what will be the name of this compound, this hydrocarbon?
C4H8.
n is equal to 3 है ना, so C3 होना चाहिए.
C3.
C3.
H6.
What is the name?
Propene.
Correct. So this is propene. Farhana, what is the next one?
C4H8.
What is the name? Four का देखो. What is the prefix? Who will answer?
Butane.
Not butane. It is ene.
Sorry.
Butene. Okay. It is butene. N is equal to 5. So alkene homologous series का first member is ethene. Okay. Ethene से start होता है because methane does not exist. C5H10. This is pentene. N is equal to 6. C6H12. Hexene. So you see suffix, prefix and suffix accordingly you have to put. Okay. This goes on. Heptene. ठीक है. 7, 8 हो गया. Octene. This way it goes on. So formula is CnH2n. Alkene का. Next is alkyne. Alkynes will have triple bond. And formula is CnH2n minus 2. Okay. इसका भी n is equal to 1 does not exist because 2 minus 2 h 0 हो जाएगा. ठीक है. So n is equal to 1 does not exist. So first hydrocarbon, first alkyne is in this homologous series is n is equal to 2. What will be the formula? N is equal to 2. What will be the formula? This is called as ethyne. YNE, alkyne. So ethyne, eth, because n is equal to 2. Okay, its common name is acetylene. Common names are used commonly, so that is why I'm giving you this name, acetylene. LYNE, LENE. Acetylene. N is equal to 3 is C3H. 3 2s are 6 minus 2, 4. C3H4. So it will be, what will be the name C3H4 ka? Who will tell me the name?
Pentene.
No, 3 is prop. Propyne. INE is propyne. N is equal to 4. C4, H is 4 2s are 8 minus 2, 6. It will be butine. Pentine. So this way naming is done. Okay. Is it clear? You have to remember 1 number के लिए myth prefix, 2 के लिए 2 carbon के लिए ith, 3 carbon के लिए prop, 4 carbon के लिए but, 5 carbon pent, 6 carbon hex, INE. YNE is for triple bond. Alkynes के लिए ये general formula है. Alkenes के लिए ENE should be the suffix, और anes, alkanes के लिए ANE should be the suffix. Okay, so 3 homologous series of the hydrocarbon mainly are alkane, alkene, and alkyne. Okay, now there is one more thing, isomerism. What is isomerism? You have seen the molecular formula. Okay, so many compounds, they have same molecular formula, but different structural formula. Now, what is structural formula? Okay, the compounds which have same molecular formula and different structural formula are called as isomers. यहाँ पे लिख दो the compounds or hydrocarbon with same molecular formula but different structural formula are called as isomers. The phenomena is called as isomerism. अभी example से you will understand. Okay. Now you know alkane. Let us take an example. Alkane का example लेते हैं. If you see first 3 alkanes, it is CH4. First one is CH4, right? So इसका structural formula is like this. This is CH4. Okay. Second one is, if you check, second one is C2H6. तो 2 C बनाए, बाकी सब जगह हाइड्रोजन हाइड्रोजन. This is C2H6 and third वाला है C3H8. You can count H and C की same है. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. C2H6. This is ethane. And this is propane. So there is no other way of drawing the structure. So CH4, C2H6 and propane, which is C3H8, they do not have any isomer. Okay, इनका एक ही structural formula है and एक ही molecular formula है. So they don't have isomer. But when carbon becomes more, like C4 जब होता है, so let us see what happens in our butane का formula क्या था? C4H10. Okay, so there are 2 methods to draw the C4H10. एक तो straight chain में, all are straight chain only. तो एक तो 4 carbons in straight chain, or wherever other 4 bondings will be hydrogen. So wherever, because carbon has to make 4 bonds. Okay. This is normal butane. You can see 5, 10 हो गए, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So single covalent bond, एक C, 3 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen, and here again 3 hydrogen. So this is C4H10. It is correct. But I can draw C4H10 in this form also. 3 कार्बन को ऐसे बना लिया और 1 कार्बन को इधर बना लिया. Okay, rest hydrogen. If you count number of hydrogen atoms, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is also C4H10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 carbon हो गए. See, formula, molecular formula is same, but structure is different. Okay. Is it clear? This is called as butane, and this is called as isobutane. Now these are two isomers of butane. Is it clear? Now we saw that alkane के शुरू के जो तीनों हैं इनके एक ही structural formula and molecular formula है, so they don't show isomerism. But from C4H10 isomers you will be able to draw various isomers. Okay, तो दो way है. See, बीच में carbon है. If you draw, you can ask कि ma'am we can draw like this also. Okay, but this structure and this structure is same. क्योंकि last में ही मैंने इसको chain में लगा दिया. L shape although I have drawn, but इसको मैं सीधा करके straight chain भी कर सकती हूँ. So these two are same structure. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 line में ही है. So it is same, but this is not same. This is branching has taken place from second carbon. तो main branch तो 3 carbon का है. Okay, is it clear? Now when we name these compounds, you will understand how the structures are different. These two structures are same. So there are only 2 isomers of butane. Means दो structural formula है, but molecular formula दोनों का C4H10 ही है. Understood what is isomer and what is isomerism? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
This is very interesting. If you understand it, it is very interesting. क्योंकि एक ही जैसा nature है सबका. Like alkenes एक जैसे behave करेंगे. Alkanes same type behavior. Okay. Alkynes similar behavior. Now this I told you about alkanes. Okay. Now if I want to draw the structural formula of alkene, so you know that they have double bond. So let us draw C2H4. C2H4 का how will I draw the structure? Double bond between दो ही carbon है, तो यहाँ पे double bond होगा. When you are drawing double bond ना, तो 2 electrons तो यहीं share हो गए. इसका मतलब एक side खाली रहेगा. Only 2 more. It will share 2 more electron with 2 different hydrogen atom. Similarly, this carbon also has shared 2 electrons. तो इसके पास अब 2 ही जगह पे खाली है. Okay. So remember, whenever double bond is there, तो एक जगह खाली रहेगी दोनों carbon की. Because 2 electrons they have shared. So this is the structural formula of ethene, C2H4. And you can see 4 हो गए. If I want to draw propene, तो एक डबल बॉन्ड हो जाएगा. नाउ व्हेन हियर वी हैव डबल बॉन्ड, तो यहाँ पे एक साइड खाली रखना है. एनी वन साइड यू कैन पुट एम्प्टी. ओके, बिकॉज 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स तो शेयर हो गए ऑलरेडी. आउटर मोस्ट you know that C has got 4 outermost electron, तो 2 तो इधर आ गए, तो I need 2 more. So 2 उसने इसके साथ शेयर कर लिए. इस कार्बन के 2 शेयर हो गए, 2 बचे हैं, तो एक इधर शेयर हुआ और एक इधर शेयर हो गया. ओके, नाउ दिस कार्बन हैज गॉट 1 सिंगल बॉन्ड, सो इट हैज गॉट 3 मोर इलेक्ट्रॉन्स टू शेयर. ओके, तो जहां पे जस्ट see and observe, wherever double bond is there, that carbon will have one place empty. Okay, और सिंगल बॉन्ड होगा तो सारी जगह भरे रहेंगे, बिकॉज 4 उनको बॉन्ड बनाने ही है, 4 bonds. Is it clear? So this is a structure of propene. Understood? Now when I suppose I draw a structure of alkyne. Suppose I'm drawing structure of this C2H2. एल्काइन में ट्रिपल बॉन्ड होता है, 2 कार्बन है तो यहीं पे ट्रिपल बॉन्ड हो गया. नाउ सी, 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स तो इसने इसके साथ शेयर कर लिए, एक ही जगह बचा है हाइड्रोजन के लिए, एक इसने हाइड्रोजन से शेयर किया, इसने भी एक. सो व्हेन ट्रिपल बॉन्ड इज देयर, 2 जगह खाली रहेंगे. Okay, these are the techniques to draw. Means because every time you will not remember कि 3 शेयर हो गए, कितने बचे हैं. तो रिमेंबर, ट्रिपल बॉन्ड है जब 2 कार्बन के बीच में, देन यू हैव 2 एम्प्टी स्पेसेस. फॉर एग्जांपल C3H4, यहाँ पे मैंने 3 बॉन्ड बना लिया, ट्रिपल बॉन्ड एक ही रहेगा, राइट? ये हो गया ट्रिपल बॉन्ड. अभी यहाँ पे 3 इसने बना लिए तो इसके 2 जगह तो खाली रह जाएंगे, बिकॉज 3 + 1 4. इसने 3 बना लिए तो इसका एक और एक इसने यहाँ बना लिया तो 4 हो गया, इसके 2 जगह, ये दोनों ही खाली रहेंगे. और इसका एक है तो 3 जगह इसके हाइड्रोजन बन गए. काउंट करके देख लो हाइड्रोजन कितने हैं, 1 2 3 4. C3H4, सो इट इज करेक्ट. कार्बन के 2 जगह खाली, इस कार्बन के भी 2 जगह खाली. ये तो सारे सिंगल बॉन्ड है इसलिए कोई भी खाली नहीं रहेगा. इज इट क्लियर हाउ टू ड्रॉ द स्ट्रक्चरल फॉर्मूला ऑफ स्ट्रेट चेन? कैन यू ड्रॉ फॉर C4H6? एक नेक्स्ट पेज पे बता. C4H6, सपोज यहां पे ट्रिपल बॉन्ड बनाया है, हाइड्रोजन टेल मी कहां पे रहेगा?
Ma'am, one on this side. Ma'am, on the first three, it will have 3.
This
No,
is
not that
supposed
one.
first.
The other one.
This one, no, this will take as first. Okay, first preference is always given to the bond. Okay, so I have to number like this only. Numbering also I'll tell you in the next class. Numbering कैसे करते हैं. So this is my first carbon, this is my second, this is my third, and this is my fourth. Tell me first carbon पे कितने हाइड्रोजन लगेंगे?
1.
1. So any one place I will put. Only one ना, 3 तो लगे हुए हैं. So एक हाइड्रोजन I will put. Only one hydrogen I'll put. Okay. So 2 places should be empty. ऊपर नीचे खाली है. Any 2 places you can leave empty. Design अच्छा करने के लिए I just made H over here. Okay. Second carbon पे.
Ma'am, it will not have any hydrogen.
It will not have any hydrogen. Okay. Yes. Because 2 places खाली रखने हैं. Third carbon पे.
One on the top and one on the bottom.
Yes. And fourth carbon, all hydrogen. So now we have formula correct. C4H1 2 3 4 5 6. It is correct. CnH2n -2, right? 4 2s are 8, -2 is 6. So it is correct. It is butene, sorry. Alkyne we are doing. Okay, so ये तो rough names I have given you. Actual nomenclature we'll study in the next class. So this thing is clear nomenclature, which is called as IUPAC. IUPAC बोलते हैं, short form है ये. ठीक है, इसका full form लंबा है. So we say IUPAC nomenclature or IUPAC nomenclature. ठीक है. So this we'll study in next class. Till here, please revise. बुक में पढ़ लो, बिकॉज बुक में से मैंने नहीं कराया, ऐसे अपने सीक्वेंस में करा दिया सो दैट यू अंडरस्टैंड, बट एवरीथिंग इज देयर इन द बुक में रहेगा ये. तो जस्ट टू मेक यू अंडरस्टैंड 3 types of hydrocarbon, how they are named, and what is the general formula, how they are differentiated using the structural formula. They have single bond, double bond. Alkanes will have single bond only. Alkynes will have triple bond. And alkenes will have at least 1 double bond. Okay, so these are the 3 homologous series which we did: alkanes, alkenes, and alkynes, and the general formula. याद रखना है general formula, how to name it: meth, eth, prop, but, okay, pent, and 6 is hex, 7 is hept, HEPT. Okay, depends on एन है तो एन लगेगा, इन है तो इन लगेगा, आइन है तो वाई एन नहीं लगेगा. एनी डाउट टिल हियर? ओके, so that is all for today's class. See you next week. Bye everyone.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.